Yes, good morning. Back to another new day. We in the middle of the week, and we're hoping to continue expecting the possible moves that we've been waiting for. So I'll be starting off with the DXY. The DXY, I know, is driven currently by the geopolitics. First of all, we've been having the ongoing uh, tariff-related issue from the states. Yeah, the court turning down Trump's tariff threats. And again, we have another issue of the US-Iran tension. So, weekend, we recently saw the US aircraft uh, actually being spotted around the Mediterranean thing. So basically, maybe we're still waiting to see if US maybe might start attacking Iran. But for now, yeah, there's no tension for now. So, and another thing, uh, we've been also expecting President Trump uh, uh, speech for the state of address. So currently, we've been seeing the dollar doing so well on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's been pushing up. As you could see, currently, as it's a midweek, today is Wednesday, we're starting to see now a pullback. And this pullback, I'm expecting this pullback to attack these areas of liquidity. Then we see if maybe we can try to react off of this area of demand. This is the demand which was left behind. It's a fresh demand. You could see took liquidity, it has an imbalance, and it has a break of structure. So I'm just looking for this area to see if maybe price happens to pull towards this area and it reacts. It gives us a buy. So it's between waiting. Yeah, I'll patiently waiting because I don't see any area where I can possibly buy it from. Maybe here, but I'll patiently wait. The DXY, we're still bullish, though we've been in the state of consolidation. This is just consolidation. This is a phase of consolidation. So the pullback I'm expecting is the pullback towards the area of demand. Then I'll continue to see if price really realigns bullish again, because I'm hoping to keep buying off the dollar towards this area of supply around 99, around 99. So this is actually the zone where I'm hoping to see the dollar hedging higher. So when we come to the GU, EU, you could possibly say we've been in a massive consolidation for some days. Yeah. When we look at the EU, we had a supply which was already mitigated, and this supply reacted off nicely and price was delivered. But currently, for the past few days, price has been actually consolidating, as you could see. Yeah, but I'm eyeing this area of inducement, the buy side, that I'm hoping to be seen taken out. This is the inducement I'm hoping to see being taken out to see that price continues to sell. We still bearish on EU. Yeah, we still bearish on EU because this supply is still under control. Unless this supply gets taken out, then I'll be expecting a reversal in form of change instead of delivery or a choke. Yes, so we have to be waiting for this liquidity inducement to be taken out to see that we can be able to frame our short entries. So GU, we still have a fresh area of supply, and we have this liquidity which is ready to be swept. So I'm waiting to see that this liquidity gets taken out and this imbalance get balanced. Price has to mitigate this area of supply. Understand? Before thinking of continuing lower. We are still bearish. Supply is still intact and it's a valid supply area. Took liquidity, has imbalance, and it gave us a break of structure, which is here. This is just a minor break of structure because it didn't take liquidity. So let me just mark this break of structure. Yes, so I'm hoping to sell off these pairs towards these lows. You understand? Yeah. So basically, it's a matter of waiting. So gold, yes, I took some buys on gold. Gold is playing so well. Gold, it played accordingly to what actually I had anticipated. Gold gave us a pullback towards this area of fair value. And we had the fair value area. You can see this is the area where I framed some entries yesterday in the afternoon. So I'm expecting gold to continue pushing higher, provided the escalation of the tensions between Iran and the US proceeds. We're hoping to see gold pushing much higher. So gold is looking bullish. We're still bullish, as you could see, and we currently reacted off of this bullish fair value gap, as you could see. And this bullish fair value gap is overlapping with this area of fair value. Yes. So basically, it's good to hold gold. If you are in a long position on gold, it's good to hold gold. Yes, I also took German 40. German 40, I took it yesterday. Immediately, it reacted off of this area of demand after taking out all this internal range sell-side liquidity. So I'm still holding German 40, and I'm aiming to hold it towards this buy-side liquidity. Yes, yeah. So German 40 and UA30 still, they had the same setups. I'm still holding U30. U30, yes, it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. But I'm expecting proper moves, okay, more volatility during the New York Stock Exchange or New York session. So I'm still holding also U30. Bitcoin, I looked at it, haven't taken any trade, but there's a zone I was waiting for to be mitigated on BTC. Let's look at Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is here. We have two areas of supply, of which now currently we are seeing a massive reaction on this supply. So on lower time frame, that's where I could confirm, yes, if this supply really would deliver price. Bitcoin, I'm hoping to swing it towards the level of 60. Yeah, is completely bearish. Yes. So, and another pair that I had, I just want to show you, USD is also another pair that I had, of which it didn't play as I anticipated. Yes, because I was waiting for this GXY at least to give me a sweep of this inducement to tap this area of supply, then it drops. But it's kinda like it's making more breaks of structure to the outside, and but I'll see if it, because here I need to shift my area or my level of inducement to this zone. So basically I'll wait for it, yes, to see what happened. Yes, so this is what I had during this midweek. Let's hope we get a peaceful week. Thank you. Yeah, have a good day.